Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on Battle.net mobile. If you want to add new friends on Battle.net, first of all, open up the Battle.net application from your smartphone and make sure that you're logged in with your credentials. After you're inside this social tab, look for Add Friends button and tap on it. On the next page, you'll be prompted to choose how you'd like to add friends. You can add by a code or add by ID. If you tap on Add by code, you'll need to scan a friend's QR code in order to add them. If you choose Add by ID, you'll need to enter your friend's battle tag or their email address. After typing it down, click Send, and then you can choose whether you'd like to send the invitation with your battle tag or by your username included. Select any one option and the friend request will be sent to the entered email or battle tags. Now once your friend accepts your invite, you will then be able to add them as a friend and they'll start appearing in your friend list. After you have them, you can then message them or invite them to play games together. And that's how you can easily add friends on Battle.net mobile quickly and easily. Now you can stay connected, chat and jump into games together anytime. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.